In this video, we are going to look at basic definition of digital images, what is digital image processing and its few applications. So let us open first one digital image. This is a digital image. So if we zoom, we can see at that this image is cannot be further resolved, and each pixel is one shade of gray. If we want to answer what are digital images, we can say digital images are defined by a function f of x comma y, where for this digital image every position is giving you coordinate x comma y, and x is along vertical and y is along horizontal for digital image, and origin is at the left hand side topmost corner. fxy is a function which represent intensity or gray level at a point, and xy is in spatial domain. The smallest element in the digital image is called as pixel, which comes from the word picture element. The next question comes to our mind is, what is digital image processing? So when we process these images to extract some information, that is called as digital image processing. Generally, it is broadly divided into three categories. First is low level, where input is image and output is also image. The kind of mostly we are going to do in lab. Second type is mid-level, where one can get some information out of the image. So input will be image, but output will be not necessarily in the form of image, but it can be some attributes extracted from image. So maybe output can be some parts of image. Third level is high level, where depending upon the input image, one can try and get some information in the form of object recognition, let's say for example. In order to understand this low, mid and high level image processing, we can take example of a number plate. So let's say I have one picture of a number plate MH235. This is my image of a number plate. Now, if input is image from a still of a video, let's say, and you are trying to apply image processing to improve the appearance of the image, then that will go in low level category. That my input was image and output is improved version of it. Mid level imaging could be if I have entire image of a vehicle and I try to extract the part of image which comprise of the number plate, then it will be mid level image processing. High level image processing can be taken here if from that image I am able to extract out this part, and then I can write this MH235 in the digital form. So my input is image and my output will be numbers which are MH235. So if this I can do, this was my input, and if this is my output, then I am in higher level of image processing.